Nah. Take it off.
Christmas wizard?
Nah. Take it off. So, morning guys, today's the day and we're going to be putting up
Christmas tree!
Yes, Natalie's obviously a lot more excited than I am, as you can tell, but I'm looking forward to it.
I love Christmas and I love Halloween, and every year we kind of combine the both of them, so we thought we'd take you along.
So basically this is going to be our first home vlog and hopefully it goes well. We're going to show you putting up the Christmas tree and look, Merry Christmas! And I've obviously got our, no matching t-shirts, but as you can see I've got Darth Vader.
And I've got the good guys. We should probably swap.
We probably should swap because I'm like the bad guy. Oh no, I'm the good guy, you're the bad guy. Aye, so we'll take you on an adventure and our home vlog, putting up the tree, you get to see our cool ornaments and all that, and see you on the other side. Let's get going. Alright guys, so here we are with our black Christmas tree. It's already sort of pre-lit and we're going for the Nightmare Before Christmas theme. So hopefully it's going to look pretty cool, and let's get building the tree. So I've had to take a wee break now for the Christmas tree because we have to untangle all of these lights, and unfortunately it looks like I'm going to be doing it. The joys, eh? Well, better get cracking. So that's us got the lights on the tree now guys, and I'll just show you here. To be honest, I think I put a wee bit too many at the bottom, sort of started to run out as I got near the top, but I think it looks not too bad. And what do you think of our dark side and light side?
So just going to show you some of our decorations that we've got. I know it's a Nightmare Before Christmas theme, but we have a few Disney ones that we love. We picked these up at the Disney store. This one's Sully. I love him, he's got these lights, he's helping. So he's got his wee Christmas tree, it's a bit velvet, I love that. Got his wee face. Stitch is my favourite, so you had to have a Stitch one. Again, going with the lights theme. He's a bit tangled up, bit of a naughty boy, but we all love him. Look how cute he is. And another family favourite is Baymax. At current we're a 10 out of happiness, but again with the lights he's got a bit tangled up. Bit of a theme going on with Disney characters not being able to put the tangles on, which we had trouble with too, so I can understand. But he is the cutest, look at him. This one's slightly different. It's the three little brothers out of Brave. I picked this one up when we were at Disneyland Paris. I loved it because being Scottish, it's a Scottish Disney thing. I know it's Pixar, which is slightly different, but they are honestly the cutest wee bairns, look at them. 25 years of Nightmare Before Christmas, we picked up this from the Disney store. The good thing about having an annual pass with the Disney store is you get 10% off, which is quite handy. But how amazing are these? They have the biggest amount of sparkle. You see Nightmare Before Christmas and they've got little like velvet bows on them. Like, I can't pick a favourite. They all have the most amazing sparkle on them, and especially beside the lights they're going to look great, like purple and black. I know Chris is a bit sad there's no Oogie Boogie in. I'm a bit sad too, but trying to find an Oogie Boogie toy is really hard. I get these two kitties as the Secret Santa last year, they're just perfect. This is Ralph. Ralph, our friendly Christmas friend. He's on Santa's good list, and he's going to be guarding all our presents and our tree this year. Thanks, Ralph. And this is Ralph's cat. He's also very good, and he chases away all the scary things that'll steal your presents. I bought this wreath from Asda and then turned it upside down because, as you can see, it was upside down. Turned this down and added some details just with paper to turn it into the scary wreath out of Nightmare Before Christmas, and he's chomp, 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 chomp. What a friendly guy.
So here they are all on. We've got the three little bears, the brothers out of Brave. Just here we have the toy from Nightmare Before Christmas. We've got Stitch just hiding here. He doesn't want to be seen by the camera. We have Zero down here. Oh, looks pretty cool there actually against the background. It just looks as if he's floating in thin air. Sully hiding here. Looks as if he's trying to do a better job of me when he's putting up the lights. Baymax, who actually looks pretty cool with one of the lights on him. Jack, the Pumpkin King himself, round here. Then Jack and Sally on a wee romantic date on my tree. We have the mayor just here. He's pretty cool actually, he looks pretty scared. The three kids, who I can't remember their names again. We get Minnie here, and for some reason she's miles away from Mickey. I think Natalie's trying to keep them apart. So we're just about to put the tree topper on, and what do you think it might be? Well, we're just about to find out. Oh, it's a Jack Skeleton mask.
I got this on sale in the Disney sale for £5 and thought, this is the perfect tree topper.
Right, let's see what it's like.
Looks so scary.
Oh, it looks cool with all the lights behind them. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall down in the middle of the night.
Gonna take some manoeuvring.
Alright, having technical difficulties here. Getting Jack on.
There we go.
So there we are, the scary Pumpkin King. We've got a couple of things left I think to go on. Oh, he's getting a wee bow tie.
He needs a lovely festive bow tie.
This bow tie looks cool. There he is, lovely. So that's it guys, that's our first home vlog and our Christmas tree is now up. Here's just a wee view of it all. I'll show you the wee graveyard at the bottom with Ralph. He's protecting all the presents. His wee cat. Pretty cool. So we had fun putting it up. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and we'll see you next time.